In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the worksheet generator, which is a powerful tool inside Teachflow that will help you generate and grade your students' worksheets using AI. Let's dive in. In the side menu, we can find the worksheet generator, and we can click here to generate a new worksheet. I'm going to call mine the demo worksheet for the purposes of this demonstration. On the left, we need to configure a few inputs. We can choose our subject. I'm going to choose Physics 101, which is a class that I have created here on the Classes tab. For the class content, I can choose to describe the specific topics of the subject that I want to be covering on the worksheet. Or I also can click here on the upload a PDF file with some information about the class. This can be the chapter of the book as well, for example. So I'm going to paste here the Newton's law of physics as an example. So I want the topic of my worksheet to be about Newton's laws of physics. I can choose the grade level to be 8th grade, for example. And for the format of the worksheet, I can choose from different types of questions that I want to include in the worksheet. So I can choose true or false, short answer, multiple choice questions, essay questions, rewrite the statements, and fill in the blanks. For this example, I'm going to choose true or false and multiple choice questions. I'm going to set the number of questions to 10. And for the status, I'll leave it to inactive for now. This means that the students will not be able to see the worksheet yet and will not be able to create the submissions. After I finish editing the worksheet and the answer key, I can set this to active so the students are able to create new submissions. So now let's generate this worksheet. Our worksheet has been generated, and we can see that it contains a mixture of true or false and multiple choice questions. We can see here that the answer key has been generated as well, and we can download the worksheet alongside with its answer key in PDF, Word document, and text formats. On the Submissions tab, we will be able to see our student submissions when we set our worksheet to active. We can also create a submission for one of our students. So let's choose Lucas, which is the only students that I've registered in Physics 101 class. I can choose the submission date. We can set the status to active, which means that the student will be able to see their grade and feedback immediately. And we can upload the submission file. Now we can click on submit. We can see that we've logged one of our students' submissions. And if we click on view, we can now see the feedback, the grade, and the comments tab. If we want to automatically generate some feedback and some grade for this student submission, we can simply click on AI feedback. It will take a few seconds to show a response. Now we can see that AI has generated some feedback. It has also generated the student's grade, and we can also place some comments here. This concludes our worksheet generated tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.